Yes, this is a class first year, ELSA, where the two groups are in front of you. The group one, raise your hands. This group supports physical classes. On the other hand, this group supports online classes. Two modes of classes, where one is physical classes and other one is online classes. So, why do you think physical classes are more important than online classes?
Hello, El Silite. My name is Sujan Malhotra, and today we are representing the debate competition between two topics. And topic is one is online classes, and second is physical classes. So my group and also choose the physical classes. Why? Because in physical classes we are very interact with each other. We are confident with a confident in a class, and every time we can discussing, we can face to face, and with more interact with teachers. So I think physical classes are best for me.
Okay. Yes. Why do you think online classes are more necessary and more important and more beneficial?
Hello friend, this is me Mehtab, student of Elsa Academy, Umarkot. Today I am here from the online classes group. Education is the backbone of progress, and it's depend upon us how we get education. Online classes through physical classes. I think online classes are the best from physical classes because we can attend from anywhere, anytime in the world. From foreign country, we can attend the class and get the education. And secondly, we can save our time of the transportation and save our money, extra monies like hostels and in transportation like buses and rickshaws money. And third one, I think we can there are many platforms are present here from which we can record the lectures and we can revise at home. Many time revise at home, and many ebooks, no physical online notes are present here, from which we can learn many things.
Okay, it's very much beneficial. Online notes, online classes from other countries, and it is less expensive. Yes, Mister. Why do you think physical classes are more important?
Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum, Namaste to all of you. I start with the great name of Almighty Allah, who's King of Kings, who's Aman Rahim, who is omnipresent here, there, and anywhere. So today my presentation or my debate topic is physical classes. I think physical classes is better than online classes. In physical class, we go to schools, college, university, and we get education with practically and observe that what should teacher teach us, and we understand it. If something is not understand in online classes, we don't say to teachers repeat it. In physics class, we say teachers repeat, and then teacher repeat it.
Okay, physical classes are more. I mean, they are better in a way that if you ask the teacher for the repetition, he can repeat.
I am Aman. Assalamu alaikum, my worthy opponent and my friends. Today I supported from them online classes. Uh, Physical classes are maybe traditional, but they are belong to past. But online classes save our money, save our time, and remove the barriers of distance. If a student belong to poor family, a small village, through online classes, he can connect with globally level. He can connect with globally level teachers. He can connect with global level, foreign level, yeah, other cities level students, and he can improve their skills also, social communication, and uh, such as um, uh, oh, students who relate from different countries, then we know their language and their cultural tradition and their social communication. So in online classes we get more and more benefit from physical classes. So first of all, my question from my opponents: that uh, if physical class are better, then many parents does not see always what their children doing, what learning. But in physical classes, parents directly monitor. So what you compared with that?
Yes, Mr. Mansla. But you say that in physical classes, parents are also monitor of the students. But in physical classes, what parents is monitor in online classes, but in physical classes, teachers are also monitor the in physical classes. Teacher can teacher can guide students and more interact, and they also interact with their parents directly. And you said this monitor, you know, this monitor is in age, the student is only 5 or 10 years, and you say that my question is this, that 5 students means like elementary school ठीक है, middle class, middle school is necessary for online classes.
You said in physical classes, teacher monitor student. If teacher monitor in class or school, out of the school, who monitor? When many accident occur during walking, during friends joking, and many harassment are occur with students. So this is more safe than study at home.
This is accident of nature, it's not permanently in life, it's happens sometimes. And you know, here is a risk, and physical you can uh, make mana. This-
Explain any other thing. Explain any other thing.
My question is from question some place in third that do not work net service is weak, and why the students get education with online classes.
This is your point that at those area where service and is not present, they can not attend the class. But those who are living in the cities and those area where service is present, they can attend the class. If you have to give the test or give the interview for the foreign country for the scholarship, so how you can give the interview if physical online classes are not necessary? How can you give the interviews or test for the foreign countries for the scholarships?
I go to the foreign country because he get interview at online classes. He don't look at me, my behavior, and any other things of my natures. If I go to foreign and he see my look and my behavior, and then he gave any jobs.
But everyone have not money of go foreign countries. They can give the interview on online mobile phone other apps. So everyone, poor people cannot go foreign countries. So many money they should, how they can give the interview?
They gave on online interview, but they have no any kind of money, and then more money, and then why he sell the mobile phones and electronic gadgets like wi-fi and others. uh, the money come from what thing?
This is not money to go foreign country. This is not enough money. If you want to go foreign country, you should have money in legs, not in thousands, 2000, 3000. Wi-Fi, like I want this 4 or 5000, I think. Mobile phone, I think 20, 25, 30,000. 30,000 is not enough to go foreign country to survive in their countries. And other thing, in the situation of fever or other conditions, you cannot go to school. How you can attend the class? This is the point for online classes. You can attend the classes in the situation, in the condition of fevers.
I gave lecture from my classmates and I repeat my lectures, and I also read at my home. Then I will preparation of my topic. The topic teachers.
Mr. Mehta, my question is from you, and online classes is for adults and it's a really true. This online classes for children and adults.
Online classes for everyone. Children can attend the class and adults can attend the class. It's not just for the children or adults or youngers. Everyone can attend the class. If online classes are not necessary, are not beneficial, so why you use the YouTubes and other apps for the lectures? This is a online class. We can say that online lectures are present. Why you use the apps, YouTube?
I don't use the YouTube's. I study and study sir lectures. I repeat in home and repeat my books topics. Book topic. I don't see the online videos, and sometimes the some children are open the data. Then many friends are message to, and some boys are use the TikToks and WhatsApp, Facebook, and he don't study. And with online classes, he disturbs with online classes. Uh, Many students do not study in mobiles. He also doing joke in the mobiles.
This is their own personal matter. They use TikTok or Facebook or Insta. But you are, I know you are intelligent, you not use the YouTubes, but other students use YouTubes and other apps for the learning. Meta AI, Chat GPT, they can, they ask question from Chat GPT. They listen and see the lecture of teacher from the YouTube. You don't see, but other students see.
Okay, there is nothing more. There should be clapping for the two groups. Well done. Good job.